Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can create a Steam account. So if you're using a web browser, you need to go to store.steampower.com, type this in your web browser and hit enter on your keyboard. Now this will take you to the official website of Steam. From here, you need to click on sign in, which is in the top right corner of the screen between installed Steam and language. Go ahead and select it. And this will take you to the login portal where you can go ahead and sign in with your account name and password if you have it. But in the case if you're looking to create a new account, scroll down and select create an account, which is highlighted in blue color. You'll be taken to a new page where you need to enter your specific email address in this box. Again, confirm the same email address in this box. Then after, select your country of residence, then go through a verification process. Check this box to ensure that you are 13 years of age or older, and then tap on continue from the bottom. Now, Steam will send a verification code to your specific email address that you just entered. Open your Gmail and find the email sent by Steam and select verify my email address, which is also highlighted in blue color. A page will appear indicating that your email has been verified, and you can return to the previous window to complete verifying your email address, and you can close this window. Then after, you need to enter your Steam account name that you want to put. Then choose a specific password for your account. Then select done from the bottom, and Steam will start creating your account. Then you'll be instantly logged into the specific account that you just created. Now you can access your profile by clicking on your name in the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu you can go ahead, view your profile, your account details, go to store, change your language, and also sign out of your account and log back in with another account on Steam. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.